Every great pilot begins by mastering the fundamentals. Choosing the right platform that supports their training matters. A strong foundation helps trainees build confidence faster and learn more efficiently. The Bell 505 delivers exactly that, designed with intuitive systems that support foundational training. The Bell 505 prepares pilots by allowing students to focus entirely on mastering flight. It provides the ability to curate challenging scenarios that turn the fundamentals into valuable learning experiences, developing the skills needed to succeed in operational missions. For instructors, this platform reduces risks and pilot workload, creating a safer, more controlled training environment. Its forgiving flight characteristics offer a generous safety margin and help prepare new pilots for real-world challenges, be it high-altitude operations, crosswinds, or other demanding flight conditions. Training becomes a seamless experience with the Bell 505. Simplicity, safety, and performance all in one package. Discover how the Bell 505 is shaping the future of military pilot training.